Hi, this is Barlow, Editor-in-Chief of MacFormat magazine. We're here to test Apple's new Maps application in the lovely city of Bath, where MacFormat is made. We're standing outside of Bath Abbey, literally the biggest thing in Bath. Here it is. Okay, so our first test today is going to be finding things. How does Apple compare to Google? So on Apple Maps, we're going to press the location icon. So as you can see, I've zoomed in, but there's literally no sign of Bath Abbey. Alternatively, on Google, in the Safari browser, because there's no app on iOS 6, as you can see, it's found us straight away. And if I zoom in, it tells me we're standing next to Bath Abbey. 1 point to Google, no points to Apple. So the next test we're going to do is directions. We're going to go from the Bath Abbey, which is where we're standing, just across the street, to the Guildhall over there. Okay then, let's go. And this is pretty much the end. Here we are outside the Guildhall, not in it, with no sign of a door. And this is the same test with Google Maps. And we'll go the way it tells us. And here we are at the Guildhall in Bath, actually outside the front door. So I think that's 2-0 to Google. The next test is going to be 3D view versus Street View. Okay, so one of the amazing things about the new Apple Maps is a 3D view. Let's try it here. Looks a bit flat for 3D. Not really much going on. At this point, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing different clothes. Well, as luck would have it, Google released Street View on the iPhone the day after we recorded that video. So now, Google wins because, as you can see, Street View works really well on the iPhone. That's 3 points to Google and none to Apple Maps.